No, you know, whenever I discuss West Indies cricket, or regional cricket, or even Jamaican cricket nowadays, it is with disappointment, sadness, and even anger. Latest case in point is young Jamaican fast bowler O'Shane Thomas, who won the RGR Gleaner People's Choice Award for the Spitfire delivery that befuddled and dismissed Chris Gayle during last year's CPL. That particular delivery was clocked at 143 kilometers per hour, which is almost 90 miles per hour. And I know Chris Gayle don't know what. And here we're in the business with West Indies cricket again. Fast bowling was the backbone of the success of West Indies cricket. And we discover this big, tall, young, strong specimen bowling at 140 odd kilometers per hour. And him cannot make a Jamaican team that comes second to last in the regional tournament. And the bowlers keeping this talented 20-year-old out of the Jamaican attack are two slow bowlers. One of them is 35 and the next one is 33, as well as a seamer who is a little bit over 5 feet tall, bowling at 120k. It's them I keep this youngster with the potential for international greatness out of a struggling regional team. And when the Maverick asked why young Thomas cannot make this second to last place Jamaica team, them tell me, say, the youth fast. But me say to them, the man is a fast bowler. His first duty is to be fast. Them depend him fast, but. You see why I'm done with the cricket? You see why I'm done with the cricket? I need anger management to talk about West Indies cricket. Yes, anger management.